Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access system. Then tap on gestures, click on one-handed mode. And if you are using gesture navigation, tap on this switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. Then make sure that full screen into reach is on and follow all of those instructions. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always go back by swiping up or clicking on this area. To disable one-handed mode, tap on the same switcher again. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, this option will be disabled. So go into one-handed mode, scroll all the way down instead and click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then choose Got It in the pop-up and simply click on the shortcut. You can exit one-handed mode by swiping up or clicking on this area. In order to disable shortcut, tap on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!